लोग पाकिस्तान में नौकरियां ढूंढने आएंगे, ये कहा था कुछ अरसा कबल वजीर आजम पाकिस्तान इमरान खान ने। लेकिन अब एक गैर मुल्की वाकई नौकरी करने पाकिस्तान पहुंच गया है। नाइजीरिया से ताल्लुक रखने वाले वैलेंटाइन एक बार्बर हैं और दुनिया घूमते घुमाते इनका दिल पाकिस्तान में ही लग गया। आइए पाकिस्तान में नौकरी के लिए आने वाले इस बार्बर से बात करते हैं।
उर्दू पॉइंट की वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल के आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी तमाम आने वाली वीडियोस से बाखबर रह सकें।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उर्दू पॉइंट के साथ मैं हूँ आपकी मेज़बान रुवेज़ा राजपूत। इमरान खान साहब ने कहा था वो दिन दूर नहीं जब बाहर के कंट्री के लोग पाकिस्तान में आकर नौकरियां करेंगे। अमूमन सुनने में आता है कि पाकिस्तानी अवाम जो है, हमारे बहन भाई बाहर अब्रॉड जाकर स्टडी करना या नौकरियां करना पसंद करते हैं। लेकिन आज मैं आपकी मुलाकात एक ऐसे भाई से करवाने जा रही हूँ जो अफ्रीका से आए हैं जी, लाहौर में नौकरी करने। तो आइए इनसे जानते हैं कि ये इनकलाब आ कहाँ से गया। हे, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Valentine.
Tell me, how many months and years have you been here in Pakistan?
Actually, this is my 3 years and 5 months here in Pakistan.
How do you start this business? How did this idea came from?
Well, this idea came back from my country because I had a 15 years experience over this job.
Was it your dream to come Pakistan for the job or business?
Actually, I don't have a particular dream of coming to Pakistan because all my life I've been a traveler. I've been to so many countries where I decide, okay, this time I have to come to Pakistan. Like, I just want to be here to see the real thing that I can work out of here. And
What was the thing which stopped you to be here?
actually, I came here and still realized that I have to establish that of my business. And this business is something that I've done for a very long time.
What's your specialty?
I specialize on mostly both male and female as well. I can do most job on female and male, like haircut, hair braiding, lashes, nail fixing, hair extension, pedicure, manicure, everything that has to do with hair and beauty.
It's really famous in our country, in Pakistan, that people used to go abroad for the study, for the business, but you're the first person who came Pakistan for the job and you started a business in Pakistan.
The business, it's okay. It's going well, Starting something used to be difficult. By the time when you get more popularity with it, it works more good. And I feel like it's really gonna be a good thing.
What do you say about Pakistan, Pakistani people, our tradition, our culture?
Yeah, Pakistan is good. It's nice. Well secured. Well, probably one thing about every country is that they have their own separate tradition that might not be the same as yours. But in other words, if you want to stay in a place, you have to adapt to the fact that you have to work on their own rules or traditions. Pakistani people, they are good, they are friendly, mostly people that...
You mean to say you adopt our rules. So do you wear shalwar kameez?
Wearing shower kameez, it's not actually like I adopt the whole rules, but sometimes, looking towards the nature, the things, the situation we are now, shower kameez seems to be an old stock. This time we appears in a modern life and all the rest of them. You understand? I can adapt their ways of doing things, their life and other things, but not actually appearing on shower kameez to show like I'm fully Pakistani,
Do you import your things from your own country?
I buy from here and there are ones I import from my country as well because the texture, when it comes to this job, the texture of our hair and the texture of Pakistani hair or other, they are not really the same. When it has to do with Pakistani, I use most of the materials for them. When it has to do with Africans, I use most of materials for them. So
if you deal somebody with a rate of 1,000 and he gave you 500.
Oh, I'm a well-civilized and educated man. Whatever that has to do with currency, it's just a name different. But using it is a normal thing like even kids can use as well.
इस सेइंग के करेंसी के नेम ज़रूर डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं, लेकिन उस पे फिगर लिखा होता है मैथमेटिकली, वो पता चल जाता है मुझे कि 500 या 10000. डू यू लाइक हिंदी सॉन्ग्स?
And I like most songs that has to do with Pakistan.
कैन यू सिंग?
I don't really know how to sing and the meaning. That's my problem.
Okay, do repeat the sentences what I said. नवा आया है सोनिया.
Nawaya Sonia.
कित्थों आए हो तुसी?
Kutti Aise.
अफ्रीका तो आया.
Africa Chaya. Really tere gali hai pese gali.
Okay, how do you earn from this business?
I think I end like basically here. This is my 3 months of being here. Actually, we don't have a fixed average for the day. It depends on the nature of the day. Like from Monday to Thursday, our work used to be scanty. That's why there's no much clients here. 5,000 per day if it doesn't earn much.
Okay, well, tell me one thing, that if somebody came to you and take your all services and ran away without giving your money, then how do you react that Pakistani person?
Oh, Teddy!